Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today we're going to be talking about how to set your carves to start from the center of your material instead of the front left corner. By default, Easel starts your carve here in the front left corner of your material, but you can change that, and this is really useful for when you're carving things that are on material that isn't square or rectangular, such as like circular material or a material that's oval. You can set up your design and then carve from the center to ensure that it's going to stay within the bounds of the kind of object that isn't rectangular or square. And it's a relatively simple thing to do. You'll go to your material settings here, and down in the bottom, it'll say choose XY0. You'll click here and get a drop-down menu and select center. Now, when you simulate your carve, it's going to start from the center point of your material instead of from the front left corner. And you can see that reflected here. It used to say 0, 0 here, but now the 0, 0 point is right in the middle of your material. That means when you set up your carve and you're setting your XY0, you're going to set it right in the middle of the material. So you'll have to jog it to that point and then set it. And that's how you carve from the center of your material. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.